weird, weird. Mythology, mythology. Mythical creature, mythical creature. Forest, forest. Intelligent, intelligent. Tear, tear. Poisonous monster, poisonous monster. Volcano, volcano. Burst, burst. Medicine, medicine. Ash, ash. Heal, heal. Breathe, breathe. Bite, bite. Wound, wound.
Mythical creatures. J.K. Rowling, the creator of Harry Potter, uses a lot of weird and wonderful creatures from mythology. How different are they to the mythical creatures in the Harry Potter books? Centaurs live in forests. They are very intelligent. They study the stars and the planets and sometimes see the future. Most centaurs stay far away from people, but one of them, Firenze, saves Harry's life. He even becomes a teacher at Harry's school. The phoenix is a beautiful bird. Harry's headmaster has a pet phoenix called Fawkes. Tears from its eyes save Harry's life after a poisonous monster bites him. Harry is shocked when Fawkes suddenly bursts into flames one day. Of course, Fawkes is born again from the ashes. Chimeras live near volcanoes. They are very dangerous and very difficult to kill.